I remember the night perfectly. My parents visited, and my old, lumpy futon left my dad with a thrown-out back and me utterly embarrassed. Buying a sleeper sofa shouldn't mean choosing between a living room eyesore or a torture device for your guests. Yet navigating the endless, confusing aisles of flat-pack furniture almost broke my sanity. You want style, comfort, and functionality without emptying your wallet. Today, I'm solving that nightmare. I bought, built, and slept on IKEA's most popular sleeper sofas to rank the top 5, and the number 1 spot completely surprised me. 5. HOLMSUND. When I first hauled these heavy flat-pack boxes into my living space, I had high hopes for this model because its traditional design elements and subtle, textured upholstery look fantastic from a distance. The Burgundy beige gives off a very earthy, calming vibe that easily blends into most modern or transitional room decors. It has a substantial footprint that demands attention, making it feel like a proper, permanent piece of living room furniture rather than a temporary guest solution. As a daily seating option, the HOLMSUND offers a very deep seat, which initially felt like a massive bonus for cozying up with a good book or watching a movie. You get a set of loose back cushions that you can arrange however you please, allowing you to customize the depth and back support to some degree. However, having lived with it, this quickly became one of its most frustrating features. The loose cushions constantly slide around, lose their shape, and require aggressive fluffing on a daily basis just to keep the sofa looking presentable, which becomes incredibly tedious over time. When it comes to its primary function as a sleeper, the conversion process is reasonably straightforward. You pull the underframe forward, and the hidden sleeping section pops up to meet the chaise, creating a surprisingly large sleeping surface. I do love the built-in storage underneath the chaise. The lid stays open safely, which is perfect for stashing away extra duvets and pillows. Unfortunately, the transition from sofa to bed is where the actual comfort completely falls apart, revealing some significant design flaws that are hard to ignore. Sleeping on the HOLMSUND was, to be quite honest, a thoroughly disappointing experience. 4. SALTSJÖBADEN. Out of the box, this piece strikes a completely different chord compared to the HOLMSUND, aiming for a much more streamlined, contemporary aesthetic that appeals to minimalist sensibilities. The Tonera Gray is a highly versatile, forgiving shade that hides minor stains and pet hair incredibly well, which is a huge plus for active households. Sitting on its sleek frame, it genuinely looks like a stylish piece you'd find in a boutique Scandinavian design catalog. For everyday lounging, the seating experience is undeniably bouncy and responsive. The armrests are delightfully slim, which maximizes the actual seating area without taking up unnecessary square footage in a cramped apartment. I spent over a week using this as my primary workstation and evening lounging spot, and the seat cushions held their shape admirably without any sagging. However, this minimalist approach means you sacrifice a lot of plushness. You're sitting very upright, and a lack of head support makes long movie marathons a literal pain in the neck. Transforming the SALTSJÖBADEN into a bed introduces a fold-down mechanism that is completely different from the traditional pull-out trundle. You simply drop the backrest down to create a flat, uniform sleeping platform. While I appreciate how incredibly fast this conversion is, taking mere seconds without any heavy lifting, the resulting bed leaves a lot to be desired in terms of actual usability. Because it relies entirely on the seat and backrest dimensions, the sleeping area is noticeably narrower than a standard full bed, making it claustrophobic for 2 adults. 3. ÄLVDALEN. This is where we start seeing a massive improvement in the balance between everyday functionality and nighttime comfort. The ÄLVDALEN immediately impressed me with its surprisingly compact profile, making it an absolute lifesaver for small apartments or dedicated home offices that occasionally need to host family. The Nisa gray-beige upholstery is soft to the touch, highly durable, and features a subtle weave that elevates the entire look of the room. What I genuinely loved about testing the ÄLVDALEN was how effortless it was to live with on a daily basis. The seating firmness hits that sweet spot, supportive enough that you don't sink uncontrollably, yet soft enough that your lower back doesn't ache after an hour. The armrests are perfectly padded for resting a laptop or resting your head during a quick afternoon nap. It just feels incredibly cohesive, like every part of the sofa was designed to work together rather than being bolted together at the last minute. When guests arrive, flipping this sofa into a bed is a remarkably smooth operation. Unlike the flimsy hinges I experienced on previous models, the underframe of the ÄLVDALEN glides out on well-engineered tracks. You pull the seat forward, fold down the back, and you're instantly presented with a generous, flat sleeping area. It also harbors a fantastic, easily accessible storage compartment underneath the seat, which completely eliminates the need to run to the linen closet when it's time to make the bed. Sleeping on the ÄLVDALEN was a surprisingly restorative experience. The foam distribution across the sleeping surface is incredibly even, meaning those dreaded hard ridges and gaps are virtually non-existent. I slept on this model for 3 consecutive nights, and my spine felt perfectly aligned the entire time. 2. BÅRSLÖV. If you're looking for an immediate upgrade in sheer plushness and luxury, this is exactly where your search should pause. The moment I assembled this beauty, the thick, inviting cushions and the elegant, slightly elevated legs completely transformed my testing space. The Tibbleby fabric is wonderfully soft, almost velvet-like, providing a premium tactile experience that punches way above its actual price tag. Lounging on the BA with ring above RSLV is nothing short of a dream. The chaise longue is generously proportioned, giving you an expansive area to stretch out your legs, wrap yourself in a blanket, and completely check out from the world. The backrest is angled to perfection, offering exceptional ergonomic support that accommodates people of all heights. Underneath that massive chaise lies an equally massive storage cavity, equipped with premium gas struts that make opening and closing it a buttery smooth, silent operation, which I found incredibly satisfying to use. Transitioning this masterpiece into a bed feels less like a chore and more like a magic trick. The trundle section pulls out effortlessly from beneath the main seating area by grasping a discreet fabric handle. What truly sets the BA with ring above RSLV apart from its competitors is how perfectly flush the pop-up section sits against the chaise and the main seat. There is zero height discrepancy. You are left with a massive, continuous plateau of foam that looks incredibly inviting even before you throw the sheets on. The overnight test was a total revelation. The high-resilience foam used in the BA with ring above RSLV contours to your body beautifully, absorbing pressure points on your hips and shoulders, which is a rarity in the sleeper sofa market. Friheten. This sofa isn't just a piece of furniture. It is an absolute masterclass in functional design. Out of all the sofas I tested, the Friheten strikes the absolute perfect, flawless balance between sleek modern aesthetics, indestructible durability, and unparalleled everyday usability. The Faringa light gray fabric is incredibly chic, pill-resistant, and remarkably easy to clean, making it the ultimate champion for real, messy, everyday life. The sheer genius of the Friheten lies in its brilliant modularity. During assembly, you have the absolute freedom to place the chaise on either the left or the right side, meaning this sofa will perfectly adapt to whatever weirdly shaped living room you currently have or might move into next. As a couch, the seating is reassuringly firm, promoting excellent posture, and the depth is precisely measured so your feet touch the floor comfortably. The storage compartment under the chaise is the largest on this list, swallowing extra pillows, heavy winter blankets, and more with zero effort. Turning the Friheten into a bed is where it cements its gold medal status. The pull-out mechanism is famously robust. It rolls out on sturdy casters and pops up in place with a satisfying, secure click. Because the design has been refined over so many years, the mechanism never jams, stutters, or derails. Once deployed, the sleeping surface is absolutely cavernous, easily accommodating 2 tall adults with room to spare. The transformation is so rapid and intuitive that you could do it single-handedly in the dark. My sleep experience on the Friheten was the absolute best of the bunch. The uniform firmness across all 3 sections means you get consistent, unwavering support from your head to your toes. Ultra. That's all for today.